Welcome to Chef Mariam's website. Chef Mariam is a renowned culinary expert, known for her exceptional skills in preparing traditional Pakistani dishes, particularly the famous Karahi Handi. Karahi Handi is a traditional Pakistani dish that originated in the Punjabi region and is now enjoyed by people all over the world. It is a type of stew made with meat, usually chicken or lamb, spices, and vegetables, all cooked together in a karahi, which is a type of work used in Indian and Pakistani cooking. The dish gets its name from the type of cooking vessel used, with handi, meaning pot in Hindi. One of the unique aspects of Karahi Handi is the way it is cooked. Unlike most stews, which are slow cooked on the stove, Karahi Handi is made in a wok-like pan over high heat, which allows the ingredients to caramelize and form a rich, savory sauce. This cooking method is essential in creating a distinctive flavor profile for the dish. Chef Mariam's version of Karahi Handi is a fusion of traditional recipes and contemporary cooking techniques. She uses the freshest ingredients, and carefully selected spices, and slow cooks the dish to perfection, resulting in a rich, flavorful, and aromatic experience for her diners. The dish is usually served with naan, roti, or rice, and is often garnished with fresh herbs and lemon wedges. It is a popular choice for family gatherings, special occasions, and celebrations, and is considered a staple of Pakistani cuisine. Whether you are a fan of traditional dishes or looking to try something new, Chef Mariam's Karahi Handi is sure to satisfy you. Visit her website to learn more about her recipes and cooking techniques, and to book a table at her restaurant. In conclusion, Chef Mariam's website is a must-visit for anyone looking to discover the traditional and authentic flavors of Pakistani cuisine. Her Karahi Handi is a testament to her expertise and passion for cooking and is sure to leave a lasting impression on your taste buds. Introduction. 1. Karahi Handi is a traditional Pakistani dish made with meat, spices, and vegetables cooked together in a wok-like pan called a karahi. 2. It is known for its rich and savory sauce, which is created by cooking the ingredients over high heat to caramelize them. 3. Chef Mariam is a renowned culinary expert who specializes in traditional Pakistani cuisine, including Karahi Handi. 4. Her version of the dish is a fusion of traditional recipes and contemporary cooking techniques, using the freshest ingredients and carefully selected spices. 5. Karahi Handi is a popular dish for special occasions and celebrations and is typically served with naan, roti, or rice, and garnished with fresh herbs and lemon wedges. Welcome to Chef Mariam's kitchen. Today, we will be sharing Chef Mariam's recipe for the famous Pakistani dish, Karahi Handi. This dish is a staple of Pakistani cuisine and is enjoyed by food lovers all over the world. With Chef Mariam's expert guidance and her passion for food, we are sure that you will be able to recreate this delicious dish in your own kitchen. Karahi Handi is a traditional Pakistani dish that is made with meat, spices, and vegetables cooked together in a wok-like pan called a karahi. It is a type of stew that is known for its rich and savory sauce, which is created by cooking the ingredients over high heat to caramelize them. This cooking method is essential in creating a distinctive flavor profile for the dish. Ingredients. 1. 1 kilogram of chicken or lamb, cut into small pieces. 2. 1 large onion, chopped. 3. 4 medium-sized tomatoes, pureed. 4. 1 cup of diced tomatoes. 5. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 6. 2 green chilies, chopped. 7. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 8. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 9. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 10. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 11. Salt, to taste. 12. 1/2 cup of oil. 13. 1/2 cup of fresh coriander leaves, chopped. 14. 2 lemons, sliced. Instructions. 1. In a large karahi, heat the oil over medium heat. 1. Add the chopped onions and cook until golden brown. 2. Add the ginger garlic paste and green chilies to the pan and cook for 2 minutes. 3. Add the pureed tomatoes to the pan and cook until they start to break down. 4. Add the chicken or lamb to the pan and cook for 5 minutes, until it is browned on all sides. 5. Add the coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt to the pan. 5. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. 6. Add the diced tomatoes to the pan and cook for another 5 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened. 7. Stir in the chopped coriander leaves and cook for an additional 2 minutes. 8. Serve hot with naan, roti, or rice, and garnish with lemon slices. Chef Mariam's tips. Make sure to cook the ingredients over high heat to caramelize them and create a rich, savory sauce. Use the freshest ingredients you can find, as they will enhance the flavor of the dish. If you prefer a spicier karahi handi, you can add more green chilies or red chili powder to the recipe. In conclusion, Chef Mariam's recipe for karahi handi is a must-try for anyone who loves traditional Pakistani cuisine. With its rich, flavorful sauce and its combination of spices and vegetables, this dish is sure to leave a lasting impression on your taste buds. Try this recipe in your own kitchen today, and discover the magic of Chef Mariam's cooking. We hope that you have enjoyed this recipe and that you will be inspired to try other recipes from Chef Mariam's kitchen. For more food inspiration, visit her website and explore her collection of recipes and cooking techniques. With Chef Mariam's passion for food and her expertise in the kitchen, you are sure to find something that will delight your taste buds. Chef Mariam's special information. 1. Chef Mariam is a renowned culinary expert who specializes in traditional Pakistani cuisine, including Karahi handi. 1. She is known for her passion for food and her ability to create dishes that are both delicious and authentic. 2. Chef Mariam's version of Karahi handi is a fusion of traditional recipes and contemporary cooking techniques, using the freshest ingredients and carefully selected spices. 2. She is known for her attention to detail, which is reflected in the high quality of her dishes. 3. In addition to her expertise in cooking, Chef Mariam is also highly knowledgeable about the history and culture of Pakistani cuisine. 3. She often incorporates this knowledge into her recipes, creating dishes that are not only delicious but also rich in cultural heritage. 4. Overall, Chef Mariam's unique approach to cooking and her dedication to authenticity has made her a respected and sought-after chef in the culinary world.